Hey there, it's me. Did you know that most of the stuff we buy is made by farmers and workers in developing nations? Yep, behind every product has a story, and today we're going to talk about two different ways of trading, fair trade and free trade. Let's get into it. First up, free trade. Now this is all about open markets with very little government rules. It's like letting everyone in the world trade stuff with no limits. In a free trade system, countries don't put extra charges on imported goods, limit how much of something can be sold, or give special help to local companies. Sounds great, right? On paper maybe, but in reality it can be a bit of a mess. See, free trade lets big businesses move their work to places with cheap labor and weak rules. That means workers can get really low wages and work in bad conditions. Plus, safety rules and environmental protections often go out the window. It's all about making the most profit with the least cost. And guess what? Those big companies love it because they can make way more money. But for workers in our planet, not so much. Okay, now let's talk about fair trade. This is all about making sure everyone gets a fair deal. It's about making sure the people who grow our food and make our clothes get paid well and have safe working conditions. Fair trade is like a promise that what you buy is made in a way that helps people and the planet. Now, this means a few changes. First off, workers and farmers get paid living wages, not just some minimum wage set by the government.
Yes.
This way they can have a decent life and provide for their families. Secondly, fair trade means taking care of the environment. Farmers can't use harmful chemicals or destroy forests. They need to keep the land healthy for the future. And here's another important thing. In many countries, workers can join groups to look after their interests. These groups help them get better pay and working conditions. So fair trade isn't just about what you buy. It's about making sure everyone is treated fairly and the planet is cared for. All right, let's sum it up. Free trade is like a race where everyone starts at different points, and some people have to carry heavy weights. It's not a level playing field. Fair trade is like a race where everyone starts at the same point with the same opportunities. It's about being equal and treating each other fairly. Now here's the thing. What we buy matters. When we buy from companies that don't treat people fairly, we're part of the problem. But when we choose fair trade, we're part of the solution. So next time you're buying something, ask yourself, is it worth a few extra dollars to know that it was made fairly? I think so.
How about you?